How to maintain weight. The scale is your friend. Once you lose the weight, you never want to see it again. Even if you're not losing, you don't want to gain. The scale is your friend. It's a simple tool to use to show us that we are in balance. People tell me when I'm good I weigh myself, when I'm bad I don't. Wrong. We need the shock therapy before it gets out of hand. The scale tells the whole truth and nothing but the truth, for better or worse. I want to know. Every adult in this country should get up in the morning, go to the bathroom, then pop on the scale. It says, "How am I doing?" It is as important as brushing your teeth. Even if we only gain 1 pound a year, in 30 years, we've gained 30 pounds. So I want to know. It's much easier to lose a half a pound by paying a little attention than 5, 10, or 15. Weight gets distributed. You can gain 5 or 10 pounds before you even notice it in your clothes. You'll see a half a pound on the scale before you notice it in your clothes. It's much easier to lose. And when you weigh yourself routinely, you get to know yourself. Our weight is never exactly the same. It generally fluctuates about 3 pounds. It depends on how much you go to the bathroom, how much salt you ate, or the time of the month. Whenever you go out of your 3-pound range, just care. Choose your favorite lighter meals or go for a walk, and the weight goes right back down. Be comfortable with the scale. The scale is your best friend for life. If weight goes up, you want to know. When we get on the scale, it's very important how we talk to ourselves. Never say, "I can't eat," or "I have to go on a diet." The biggest problem I see is that people worry and stress about weight. We never should worry or stress about weight. Change the word worry, stress, to care. It's good to care. It diffuses everything. We never should beat ourselves up or feel guilty if we overeat. There is no "when I'm good" or "when I'm bad." Sometimes we're better than others. And when you make a mistake, just go, "Oops," and just care. If you get on the scale and it's not pretty, just care. Usually we know what we're doing. If you're eating too much ice cream, just stop buying it. Because you care. It doesn't mean you'll never eat ice cream again. But for now, you want to stop buying it. If you buy it, you will eat it. Lead us not into temptation. To balance things out that weekend, maybe you'll choose not to have that piece of bread. Or have 2 vegetables instead of the starch at dinner. Select your favorite low-calorie meal. By just paying a little bit of attention, the weight goes right back down. To help balance, you can also move more. Go for a walk or on the treadmill. Clean. With your buddy the scale, maintaining weight is easy. Oops. 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 Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.